What's up, guys? So I'm gonna be doing what do I do in the afternoon vlog. Basically I just got home from dance and I just got done eating. I'm cleaning my room because, to be honest, y'all, I've been cleaning my room for a good 2 weeks. It's like you clean your room and then you try on clothes and it's just not working. So like, what do I need to do? I don't know. So I'm cleaning my room and I'm trying to get my bath stuff ready. See, look back there. Those are all clean clothes. I just haven't put them up. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I am out of the bath and it's not much that I do at night, but really brush my teeth, oil my hair, and all that stuff. Because I'm honestly my hair's not doing great. I have a bald spot because my dandruff is so bad where when it itches, it's like I'm scratching a hole in my head. Like this part, I know it's from that because it's literally itching. It itches when I touch it and everything. So I'm just trying to oil my hair so I don't have to be scratching it and that it don't like flare up. In the morning, I'll probably wash the braids. Yes, you can wash your hair with your braids. If you haven't, then try it. Then I put my scarf on because this oil be like going all the way in my face. I'm not gonna lie, all in my face. It's going nuts, and I don't need that. And I'm into leopard stuff right now. I love leopard or cheetah print, something like that. One of those two. Yeah, see, as you can see, the oil is already catching up right there. Like, I will wake up sometimes, it'll be right here, like, girl, that could have got in my eye. But let me brush my teeth because you gotta have a nice dental. Have to have nice teeth and take care of your body. One of these videos I might talk about like things that I have improved. Not just say like you should improve. Oh, let me turn this up because I'm not using it. You should improve on things, or like you should want to do like what the next person is doing. But I watched YouTube videos like this, and I do get like inspired from them, and it's okay to be inspired by somebody, but just don't let it take off with your personal identity. So I have changed a couple of things about myself that I like personally, and I feel like can benefit me in the long run. So maybe I'll share that with you guys in one of these videos because but let me Okay, so I'm in my room and now at this time of the night, it's late. First of all, it's late. It's time for me to go to bed. And honestly, I was cleaning my room, and yes, I told you guys like it's been taking me 2 weeks, but this is the reason why. Because I get home late. Like, I can't be sitting here trying to get dressed for 20 hours. I mean, trying to clean up for 20 hours and not get any sleep. Like, I have things to do. So, therefore, I'm going to clean tomorrow because it's Tuesday. And yes, this video will be posted tomorrow, but I'm just recording it before. But tomorrow I will be cleaning my room, and because I won't have like dance or anything, I'll be home straight after school because I have a doctor's appointment, so I'm really not gonna be in school that long. But my doctor's appointment is during my school hours, so I might get home a little bit early. So I just clean my room and make sure it's tidy because it's getting outrageous. Even my little garlands are falling down. These little things, they're falling down. So I have to clean my room and make sure it's like up to par, something to like call yours, because like my room is getting outrageous to the point where I don't even want to. I don't know. It's not like bad for other people, but it's like me. I have a standard for my room. I know what I would like it to look like. Even if it's like a little junky to other people's eyes, I know how I want my room to look, and it's not looking the way I want it to. So I have to do that, and I have to wash some more clothes and like get things together and not be as junky and disorganized, because that's what I want to work on. I want to work on like getting my body right. I want to work on like just being more flexible to ideas. Like, even if I do have a busy day or something comes up just out of the blue, I'm able to just go around it. And I feel like that's just something that you have to do over time. But I'm about to go to college, and I need to know how to just organize my life and not have like my mom telling me like, oh, well, you need to do this is how you should do it, and all that. Also, all I'm about to do now is probably like get into bed, lay down, watch SWAT, and like probably finish some work. Finish work and yeah, and set my day for tomorrow. I might just ask my mom, can I not just go to school? Because it just make more sense. Because why am I having the struggle to stay? Like, I don't get it. I might ask her, can I just stay home? So yeah. Okay, y'all, so to close it off, like the little nightcap, I want to do one of those little outros that they be doing. Like, they be setting the camera up and they be like, bye. You know, you might see some of my videos do that, but I'm gonna just show that behind the scenes. So let me show. Hold on, it's a little dark. Turn on the TV. Oh yeah. So. Bye guys.